my name is Mikayla Snow and today we're going to Sephora, Ulta, and Walmart because we gotta try to save some money. Spent this amount of money, which is kind of a lot when you think about it. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Hey, what's up? How's it going? I dropped something. I'm super excited to see what we have in store for ourselves, so let's just jump into it. So we have a mix of high-end, drugstore, and Ulta, which is kind of like in between. Rated everything out kind of in order of which I'd need it. So we're starting off with the first mystery bag, and it's moisturizer. This is the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer, but I'm actually really excited because I've been wanting to try this one. I just haven't been out of this one yet. But this is the Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment Plus Tone Correcting for breakout prone skin, which is super exciting because my skin is breakout prone skin. Recently, I've had really bad cystic acne over here, which is actually clearing up, so it's exciting. So hopefully this will help. Okay, so that applied really great. I'm super excited to start using this, so hopefully it helps me with my acne. Also got me some snacks, so that was nice because these are my favorite. Actually, no, Nerds Rope are my favorite, but these are a close, like, second or third. Alright, so next is primer, and that's from Sephora, so I'm really excited to see what this one is because I've been looking for a new primer because I'm all out of the one I use from Target. This is the one I use from Target. It's number 7 Airbrush Away Pore Minimizing Primer, and I love this one. It's super good, but it's like 20 bucks, so it's kind of expensive, and this is probably more than that. Hopefully it's more than 1 ounce because this is all that this is. Ooh, okay, so we got the Hangover Too Faced Face Primer. Okay, I'm super excited to try this. Some beauty gurus don't like Too Faced. I don't know the drama behind that, so you never really hear this talked about super much on bigger channels, but I'm excited to check this out. 1.35 ounces, so that's kind of good. It's a little bit more than an ounce. We love your skin, even when you don't. That's cute. Ooh, it's in a pump. That's very hyperallergenic. I don't know how much I should use of this because it's expensive. I want to make it last. What is this little hair doing? Okay, it'll come out. What is happening? There we go. Okay, so let's put it where I need. It smells like coconut. That is so weird. But it feels nice. I think I just used like a couple pumps, so if that is good enough for my face, hopefully this big ol' thing will last me a while. Looking good. Okay, boop. I don't want to put it with all my makeup because then it'll get dirty. But I guess that's where it's going. Okay, up next is foundation. Okay, perfect, and it is in soft beige, which is my shade. It's my shade. Perfect, exact one. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in soft beige. My absolute favorite foundation. It's like $5 at the Walmart, and I love it. Okay, that's so perfect. I just get some. Whoa, it's so like fresh and new. Cool. And then we just rub it in. My face feels tingly, which is weird. I don't know why I feel tingly. Why do I feel tingly? Also, I have an eyelash on my makeup. That's not good. So I feel tingly. I don't know if it's the moisturizer or the primer, but I feel tingly. Also, I'm using this vlogging camera because it's so easy just to put it on my vanity there and not have to figure out how to put my gigantic camera on my little table. Cool. Okay, and then also usually is the point where I'll clean up my lips because they look a little yucky. I also use my own saliva for this, so, because it's my own mouth, duh. Also, my bathroom sink's like way over in the other room, so can't be bothered. Okay, looking pretty good. Next, we're gonna, I hate the feeling of foundation on your hands. Anyone else just like can't do it. Okay. All right, next we have powder, Sephora, translucent, Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So this is what the fancy beauty gurus use. I just use Coty Airspun powder. Works good for me. Sometimes I get a little dry with this, but you know. Let's just see what we got. Ooh, the packaging's like zebra print. That's weird. Okay, it's so nice to use this camera because I can actually like see what's going on. That's really cool. Like, ooh, okay. This is like too fancy for me. Usually I'll just stick my beauty blender into my powder, but I want to be a little sanitary with this. This is probably good because you don't use too much because that's like money you're wasting. When you have like literally all the brushes in the world but they're not clean, so you can't like use them for certain things. Let's try this one. It's a little dirty. I don't even know, like, I got like lipstick in it somehow. Oh, and it just shed everywhere. Dang it. Okay, forget about that. So I'm just gonna take this, dust it in the little like cocaine powder I got there. It's very yellow. I didn't do concealer. I'm an idiot. Why did I keep putting it on if I knew I didn't put... Oh, I'll be right back. And pretend like that didn't happen. And go to the Ulta bag. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in shade Pale. This looks a little light. Hopefully that means it'll be brightening. Kind of worried, guys. Okay. I wanted to make a cool noise, but it didn't. Okay. I guess we're just gonna be comparing every single item I usually use. The Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand, which I wish he would have picked out instead because I need more of this. I'm almost out. And this is great. Oh my gosh, this is so good, but it's expensive. So this is a cheaper option, so hopefully it's good. Okay, let's just look at the shade comparisons. If you couldn't tell by the packaging. Oh man. pretty. Oops, I almost dropped it. It's lighter, but hopefully it's not super light. I'll be kind of bearing. It's kind of drastic. Kind of really drastic. Oh no. And I feel like I keep having to go back into the little thing, which I usually don't have to. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of embarrassed. Dang it. Okay. Oh no, it's lifting. Because like, what's the point of putting it on if it's the same shade as your foundation? Oh, that doesn't look good, guys. Hopefully you won't be able to tell on camera. I'm gonna try to go in over with the dirty side of my beauty blender to hopefully get some of this foundation I just used to rub off onto this concealer. It looks like when you go to the beach and you get a suntan everywhere except for your eyes. I should have known. Okay. That side blended out fine. I just have to beat up my other eyeball now. I don't know if it's because I messed up my eye during that, but it's starting to look better. It really got weird on my nose. It was probably because I powdered. I powdered and I screwed it up when I powdered. That's a lesson in don't powder your nose before you apply liquid on top of it. Okay, everything's fine. Did I do all the liquid? Yes, so we're gonna just powder. It's kind of a struggle, but I mean, if I'm saving money and not wasting product, it should be good. It smells different than the Airspun one. Because I remember when I first tried the Airspun, it had a super strong scent. I think they dialed it down once it got super popular, but what do we think? I should have just known that there was no going back from once I powdered my nose, and maybe we'd be in a better situation, but what's done is done. I like this powder. Good find. Probably gonna keep using that. Okay, now usually is when I do eyebrows, so let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Auburn. Okay, perfect, because this is one I used to use back in the day. Currently, I've been using Wonder Brow as kind of like a pomade. Oh, or this. I got this in an Ipsy thing a while back. It's Me Beautiful Brow Pencil. I like this because the spoolie is really small and it's just a great color, so that's what I've been using recently. Buy them brushes and stuff also, but I just bought the James Charles palette and the brush kit, so I'm like, I don't need any more brushes. So I'm just gonna be using my new M158 Morphe brush, which has like a little brush and then a spoolie, which is too big. I don't like the spoolie, so I just use the spoolie from the other thing. The problem with the big spoolies is that sometimes you'll get outside of your eyebrow and it kind of takes off the foundation. So I just kind of like to first comb through and get any foundation or concealer or powder out of my eyebrow. Okay, so I just had to change the battery and the SD card because everything was dying. Where were we? Eyebrows. Okay, let's put them on. I just take the thing and I dip it in the thing and then I put it on my eyebrows. So let's do that. Ah, they look really bad. I forgot how to do pomade because you have to have a light hand and I don't. I'm gonna take the spoolie because it's little. Gonna try to drag it out a bit. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, I usually have a towel sitting here with me. Clean it off in this makeup towel. So hopefully I'm taking off more product. Spoolie it. And then I just put it on this towel. Is it working? Hopefully. Okay, I think, did I fix it? I think I fixed it. I'm gonna actually outline my eyebrows, which I haven't done in ages, but might as well. Might as well just use this in pale the shade around my eyebrow. Ow, I just elbowed my elbow. Better, I think better. Okay, so this counts and kind of doesn't count, but this is the eyeshadow palette I'll be using. So I don't want him to pick out an eyeshadow palette because I have so many. I don't need any more. I need to use this guy in a video because I haven't yet. I have a huge plan for a video on this palette. I just have not. Okay, started off with yellow and we're just gonna see where it goes. Okay, so we started off with Tune on as a base, and then I took Mary Everywhere, which has to be my favorite shade from the palette, and then I just took a little bit of Boutique in the outer corners. Since I knew that was kind of cheating just to use a palette that I already had, I let him pick out like an eyeshadow topper because usually I would just take my Jeffree Star. Also, I had to pot it because I broke it. My Jeffree Star highlighter as my like eyeshadow sparkles, so I let him pick out something new. Also from Ulta, of these liquid eyeshadows. So I've never tried these. This is gonna be cool. It's the Glitter Gold liquid eyeshadow. He got Polished Pinup and Industrial Beam, but let's try this one, Polished Pinup. Ooh, that sounded, I dropped it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put it on. It kind of stings my eyeball. Oh, I don't like it, it stings. But it's pretty. Ow, it really stings. Oh. My eyes hurt. Ow, ow. Okay, this is getting returned instantly. It just stings. Why is it stinging? I can't deal. I don't know why I'm putting more on because it just hurts. More on. It's like not even that pretty. Oh, pee, 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 pee. Okay, and usually I pause with my eyes, do my face, and then I'll set everything with setting spray so I can do my eyeliner once my eyes have been set down with setting spray. And I found that it's best to just get your whole face done when you do setting spray just so it doesn't get weird. So next, we have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is perfect because I broke mine. I like because it smells so good, but mine is broken, so I'm glad. And now I will just take little Morphe 4E, E4, I'm dyslexic, and just contour. I don't really like this bronzer, this contour bronze. I need to take a break. I don't really like this bronzer in the summer because it's too light, but in the winter it's like just Okay, so next is highlighter, and this awesome Jeffree Star highlighter. I'm super excited to try it. This camera is amazing. Like, that autofocus switch, everything was amazing. So quick and easy. Okay, so usually I'll use this M504 brush, and now I have this M501 brush, which is huge. It's really big compared to this one, and like more tapered. I really like this one because it's like the perfect size for highlight, and this is a little big. Since this one's clean, I'm gonna try it with this. Wow, oh, that's pretty. It's more sparkly than like a blinding highlight, but you can still see it. Wow. I'm getting like little brush hairs everywhere. Pretty. Okay, so Ellie picked out the, what is this? Maybelline New York, and it's the shade Mauve for me, which is perfect because I love mauve. It's like my shade. I love Touch of Spice. That's my favorite. Maybelline, this lip, I'm already losing my mind. This is the NYX lip liner Canis. I don't know. I like it, so I'll just be using this. So that's what we'll be doing for lips while I watch a Tati video. Wow, that is a pretty shade. I think that's my new go-to. Okay, and then for setting spray, the Maybelline Make It Last setting spray. And if you're wondering why it's a little empty, it's because he thought it'd be funny to spray it on things. But also, I was kind of bummed because the first ingredient, not the first, the second ingredient is alcohol dinat. I don't know what dinat or dinat means, but alcohol's not really good for your skin, dries you out, and especially in the winter, I don't want to have dry skin. It's okay that he wasted a bunch. So let's try this out. Usually I'll blow my blow dryer on my face, but we'll just fan. Okay, next up we have eyeliner, and this is the Demonetized Kitten Liner. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's by Tarte, and I have not tried it out yet, so let's try it out. How many I can't even talk. How many times can I say try out? So we're gonna try it out. Wow, it has a little kitten on top. Cool, okay, so this is a tiny little thing compared to what I'm used to. And so I got tiny little wings and like a tiny little, usually like my eyelids half eyeliner. Oops, but wow. Oh, and then also, so for mascara and blush, this little Tarte High Performance Neutrals, because we thought it was a good deal because it says $10, retail value $27, so I mean kind of good deal. And it's just 2 little sample sizes, so boys don't really understand makeup, but that's okay. Oh, cute. Oh, they come wrapped. Ooh, I love Tarte. Like, it's just like, look at this cute little packaging. So we got a blush. Hopefully I don't already have this shade, but it's okay. So even though I already put on setting spray, my blush brush, wipe off the blush that's already on it. And then I'll go in with this called First Class, which I just dropped that, which I don't think I have yet, so that's good. Just a light little blush moment. Looks good. Okay, and then, oh, it has a little, see that? And then it comes with the mascara, which made it easy for him. 2 birds, 1 stone. I mean, feed 2 birds with 1 scone. I'm just kidding. So let's just take this mascara. I've never used this before. Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. Where is it? Oh. Currently, this L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black has been my go-to. It's amazing. So hopefully this is kind of good. Oh, it's hard to open. There we go. But it'll be good to have in the car in case I ever need to put mascara on. Because usually to go to work, I won't wear any makeup. And then when I get out of work, might want to have a little eyelash moment. This could be cool. But it's also weird keeping makeup in your car because you don't want its temperature to fluctuate that much. Actually, that's not bad. That looks kind of pretty. So yeah, this is pretty good actually. I'm surprised. Good job, Tarte. I love it. That's good. I always love when things can work out, especially when you've like already bought it, you know? Let's try lower lash. It's kind of big for lower lash, but let's just try making the most attractive face I know. Okay. Like, I actually really like that. I'm so excited because I'm so stuck on my other mascara that this is actually really pretty. I might like it even more. It just has like this weird separating effect that like I'm not used to. And they're just like light and fluffy. Ooh, if I would have curled them, they would look even better. They look pretty. I'm so excited. He did. I'm so happy. He did a good job. Okay, are we done? Are we done? Are we done? I'm actually really happy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and a big thank you to you guys for liking this video. Also, I'm going to start doing a secret phrase of the day that you guys can comment to show that you made it to the end of the video. This week's phrase of the day is, wow, makeup is expensive, because it is. It really, really is. So comment that phrase down below, and I'll be giving little hearts to all the comments that say that. Anyway guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. This was so fun. Also, if you made it, I'm going to start, guys, my neck is broken. Bye guys.